MATACHANA, a provider of integral solutions for the hospital's sterilization and disinfection, has commissioned in the prestigious Asklepios Hospital Group a new Rumed reprocessing unit for medical devices at its center in the city of Hamburg, Germany. The new facility features the most innovative and advanced robotic equipment and systems. A first line of 6 washers thermodisinfectors for 18 baskets, including our MIS module system, and 2 washing and thermodisinfection cabins for containers. The sterilization range includes 4 steam sterilizers for 8 baskets with automatic unloading and 2 low-temperature sterilizers, one operating with formaldehyde and the other with hydrogen peroxide, to cover all the needs with regard to the sterilization of heat-sensitive material. In addition, as a great novelty, the new MATACHANA AL10, a fully robotized system that enables the loading and unloading of the washer thermodisinfectors to be managed in a totally autonomous way.
My name is Sadmir Osmanchevich and I'm responsible for all the medical device reprocessing units at Asklepios Klinik in Germany. The concept on which it is based fits in perfectly with ours because they both envisage a wide-ranging standardized basket process that has been in place for more than 2 years, and where we have a general unification of all baskets, which means that we are in a process of standardization. And in addition, with MATACHANA as a partner, we were also able to implement this in a simple, customized way. The more defined the processes are, the simpler the technology supporting them, and even with the complex logistics, the use of robots has been a great advantage. Yes, the basic idea was a very good one. The robot is really the highlight of our department. It minimizes as much as possible the work that would otherwise be done manually, which of course simplifies it enormously. My name is Christian Meister. I am the head of the Rumed at the Asklepios Klinik Nord in Hamburg. During the reconstruction phase, the employees had to travel frequently in order to secure the supply of the clinic via another center in Hamburg. This task was carried out by this team and it worked smoothly. That's why I was very pleased that the feedback after the commissioning was so positive. Not only that everything is new, but also that the employees really see that this brings us forward, that it is innovative, and it makes our work easier. The MIS module systems are quite cumbersome at the beginning, but after a learning phase were really useful because they eliminate subsequent processes. The use of technology avoids walking so much and it's entirely automatic. There is also the control by means of tablets, which is something quite innovative that allows the employees to work in a futuristic way with them. That was really a very positive experience and the team also agreed to this. Also with a partner at your side who can do it. And MATACHANA with robotics is definitely a step ahead of the other providers who also have great technology, but you just have to look at how the current time is, where it is going, who offers which products and how they fit together. Especially during the pandemic, it is very advantageous to have 2 different low-temperature processes in one department. One is the low-temperature formaldehyde process and the other is the peroxide process.
An important aspect of the organization and implementation of this project was, of course, that we were at the forefront of technology, and that brought real fun to the project. That motivated the team and helped us to make progress as quickly as we actually did, helping us today to attract employees for our department. That is a huge advantage.